Hi family, and thanks for joining me. Today on the menu I have beef chuck pot roast. Let me tell you what I did. I took it out of the package and I washed it with cold water like really well. Then I patted it dry and I took some baking soda and I rubbed it down well with baking soda both sides. Then I covered and the bottom side. Then I covered it and I put it in the fridge for about an hour and a half, maybe just a little bit longer. I took it out, I rinsed it off really well with cold water, and I patted it dry. And now this is what I'm going to do. Here I have a package of onion soup mix and a package of gravy, brown gravy mix, and I mixed it together. I have some pepper, garlic powder, and I have some mushrooms, which they say not to wash, but I rinse them down with cold water 1 or 2 times anyway. Now I'm going to take my onion soup mix and brown gravy mix and I'm going to over the top. I'm going to sprinkle some pepper. Some garlic powder. Granulated. Kind of rub, smash it in. Take the flip side. Gonna do the same thing. Pepper, garlic powder, like just smash it in. If there are any crevices, just put some in the crevices. I'm going to take some, rub it around the sides. You want that to be seasoned too. It's okay that it's fallen in the pan because we're going to add water. We have most of the fat is on the upside. That's the way we want it because we want it to drip back into the meat, and it keeps it moist that way. Okay, that's everything. We're going to add some water. You know it's going to make its own juices, but you need something to stir it. I'm going to add our mushrooms. You can add other vegetables if you want. You can add, if you like bell peppers. You can add onions. You can add carrots. You can add potatoes around it. Just kind of like do your own thing. You got to kind of make these recipes your own. Add something, take something out. And I have the oven heating on 350. And I'm going to cover this. You're going to put it in the oven. And we're going to let it do its thing. Okay, it's been cooking about an hour and some. I've been basting about every 20 minutes or so. We have about another 45 minutes to an hour to go. Okay, if you want to make a gravy, because this is kind of thin, then we're going to make a flour slurry with about a tablespoon of flour. We're going to add some water. And I'm going to add a little bit of browning seasoning. I'm sorry. You don't want to add that white flour to your gravy. Add a little more to make it a little bit darker. See, the browning seasoning. Mix it well. And we're going to pour it in, and it's going to thicken up, and then we'll let it finish cooking. Ooh, a little mess. It's going to thicken up really nicely. I'm going to cover it and let it cook about 20 more minutes. It's been cooking about 2.5 hours. Almost 3 hours. But nice and slow is good. Just gonna lay it over top. Okay, we're finally finished after about 3 hours and maybe 10-15 minutes. I'm going to take it out of this pan, and I'm going to let it cool for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to slice it up and put it on a plate. And there you are, beef chuck pot roast with mushroom gravy. Hey family, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a good time. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. And pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them, pray for you, pray for us, and then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, be well.